Welcome back to the GSM-6. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a Huawei ID from a working phone, even if you've forgotten the password and no longer have access to the phone number used to create the account. This method works without any third-party tools, and the phone doesn't need to be stuck on the setup screen. If your device is logged in, but you can still access the menu, this is for you. Let's get into it. Phone came from abroad, and I have no longer access to the network of my foreign phone number. And unfortunately, I forgot its passcode as well. Here is how I get rid of Huawei account without having my foreign number. First of all, connect to the Wi-Fi. Add a screen lock if you haven't already. I added screen lock already, but to show you the method, I am adding it again. Now we will perform a full reset. Power off phone or restart. And then keep holding volume up plus power button together. Release power button when phone turns on. But keep holding volume up button until you get the recovery mode. Follow instructions carefully. Now, during setup, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Here on Huawei ID screen, choose to activate device with lock screen password. And yes, we have successfully removed Huawei ID without its password or inaccessible phone number. Use this method only for the device you own. Don't try on stolen or someone else's devices. Now let's finish setup and check device if it's working properly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you bypass or remove the Huawei ID from your device, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe for more Huawei unlocking and phone repair tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help with your specific model, leave a comment below. I reply to everyone.